So let's talk about what this hypermedia as the engine of application state means. What exactly are we talking about? It's a very interesting concept, and if possible you should try achieving this in any RESTful web service that you create. So the idea is like this. So let us do some comparison, then the points will be clear to us. When we develop web applications, we start with some home page. Let's say we call it as an index page. And we have many other pages in our application. I have a login page. I have an info page. And let's say many other pages. I have a welcome page. Now what do we do in web development? We create links. Isn't it? Without links, well, internet won't survive today. Now as an end user, all I need to know is the URL to reach the home page. That's it. I just need to know yahoo.com. That's it. I just need to remember the URL to reach the home page of that website. I don't need to remember the URLs to reach the login page of that site. I don't need to know the URL to reach the login page, because I know on this home page there will be some button or hyperlink which I need to click, and I don't care about what is the URL to reach that page in that website. I don't need to know what is the URL of that info page as an end user. I don't need to know about that welcome page, and no matter how many pages this system contains. All I need to know is the URL of the home page. That's it. I stop over here. And this page is designed in such a way that it helps me navigate further into the system. Alright, we are looking out for achieving the same thing in web services. So now let's fit this concept in web services. Now it's challenging and interesting, and it is easy also. If you got this, then the comparison which I will do will become very easy for you. So let's take an example. We are talking about web services now. Let's say I have one REST web service with me. Now think in a way that you have many web services with you in your applications. I have many REST web services with me. Let me just put it in short, REST WS. I have lots of web services that I have developed. Now we are looking out for doing the same thing. This web service should be able to create links to the other services that you have in this application. So the idea is the same. How can we create links to the other services that we have created in this application or the system? Now, I know without an example, this whole thing will be of no help to us, whatever we are discussing. So let's take an example. This web service provides me customers' data. So I have a web service which provides me customers' data like his name and email address and other information that I need. I have another web service with me which provides me, let's say, insurance details of the customer. Now, I make a call to this service. This service returns me back some data. Now, generally when we will communicate with web services, what will be the form in which the data would be? It would be, let's say, XML or JSON. These are the preferred formats which we use for sharing of data between the two ends, the client and the server, let's say in this example. Okay, so we have this client code, for example, which invokes this service. This service returns me back the data about some customer. Okay, let's take an example that the data about the customer is coming in the form of some XML. Okay, so I'm getting an XML back from this service. And there are tags to describe the name of the customer, his email address, and other information. Now, all what I'm looking out for in this example is, if I want to know as a client the insurance details of this customer, I need to know the URL to reach this service. That's what my primary intention would be. On the client side, I need to know the URLs. Without the URL, I cannot enter into the system. So I need to know the URL to access this service. I need to know the URL to access this service. The idea is to embed the link into the response. So what I will do now as a developer is, in this XML that I will be returning, I'll add one more tag. Let's say insurance. Now what I will do as the value of this tag, I will embed the URL to execute this service which I have in this application. So that's the idea over here. How do you embed links in a web page? you try achieving the same in your web services. So what I as a client developer need to do is, if I'm writing the client side code, I will invoke the service, I will get this data. Now if I need to pull the insurance details of the service, I don't need to know the URL of that, because the response from this service contains one tag which lets me know the location of the next service that I need to communicate with. That's it. So the idea is the same. How can you make your applications a bit dynamic? And this is just one technique by which you can achieve the same. And there are many ways of doing it. You might want to generate in the response a tag with the URL to the other services you have, or you can use HTTP headers. There are multiple options available. There's no fixed answer how to achieve it. There are many ways. It's up to the developer what exact strategy he wants to use in the code which he will be writing. So this is just one simple example. Hope it helps. So these are the things you will take care of by default in a REST web service. I would like to take a small break over here and see you after the break then. Thank you.